Ladies and gentlemen, when you have multiple roommates staying in a co-living house, you want more than one fridge. This fridge is not enough for the amount of people you want in a co-living space. So you need extra space to put a second fridge. Maybe you can stuff it in here, but that's actually meant for the washing machine. But right off the kitchen, not too far away, which is okay for a secondary fridge, you have a multitude of space here. And it's close right off the kitchen, so this is a great place to have the overflow of the refrigerator. And put your second fridge probably right there in the corner.